Hi, I'm Dr. Ranjani Rao. I'm a practicing dental surgeon and an implantologist. We run two practices in Electronic City, Bangalore. Pigmentation. Just like how different people have different shades of skin because of the difference in melanin pigmentation in the skin. Some of us are fair looking, some of us have darker or light brown or darkish brown skin. Similarly, even the gums can have different level of melanin pigmentation resulting in dark brown or black looking gums or pale pink gums in whom the melanin concentration is lesser. Now, the problem arises when this pigmentation is high in the aesthetic zone or the smile zone. So, some people are very conscious that when they smile, their gums appear black in color. Can this be treated? Definitely. All it requires is a simple laser procedure where laser light is targeted on the melanocytes and the melanin pigmentation can be reduced. However, it's very important to mention here that over a period of time, the melanin pigmentation can return and the gums can go back to looking dark brown in color. In that case, the procedure will have to be repeated using the laser again.